Okay, another really quick unbox from Glamily. Yes, another one. This is I got this for applying a Glam gift on their app, and I got like the 20-30 votes I needed to win this product. I forgot the exact amount of votes, but it was around there, and I won it. So yay! I already opened it as well because of stuff. But yeah, this is what it is. Guess what it is. Guess what it is. It's zebra print. It's pretty. Can't wait to use this. But anyways, it's our. Ay, wait. Oops. Ooh, of course, a bucket, a bucket hat. Like, I love hats. I already have a blue one. I had to add another one in my collection. A zebra print. I love zebra print. I mean, I used to have a phase in middle school with everything was zebra print. My bag, my dress, everything, literally. So I haven't worn zebra print since middle school. But I saw it and I was like, oh, I need it. I need to have it. Like, and it's a hat. It's a bucket hat. So who wouldn't, right? I probably do it look inspired by it. I probably do zebra print, but I don't know because it's hard to see. So I'm just gonna put it on. Wow. Alright. She's cute or whatever. The only thing that I noticed is that it smells kind of weird. Like, okay, not as much anymore, but it's new, so I get it. It's not like new shoes, but like, you know, like the toolbox men have to like fix their cars or stuff. I don't know, kind of like that, like old car. Like, I don't know, I'm tripping, but I don't mind. Like, I'm still gonna use it. So yeah. Okay, that's it. I'm just gonna leave. But yeah, thanks for watching again. Bye.